Before we begin, this video is proudly sponsored by BuyMote, your one-stop shop for daily essentials, groceries, pantry items, and more. If you're someone who values both quality and affordability, head to the link in the description. The app is available on both Play Store and App Store. Support the ones who support the hustle. Let's keep it real. Most people would blow their small accounts, not because they don't know how to trade, but because they don't know how to flip. $50 isn't useless. It becomes a weapon when paired with structure, discipline, and intent. You don't need home run trades. You just need 1 hour or 2 hour trades stacked up smart. 3 to 5 good trades a day. Aim for 2 hour net daily and keep it consistent. That's how you flip like a monster. So there are some ground rules before you begin with. First, you stick to the paths that you understand. Stop hopping on exotics just because someone called it. Second, 0.01 lots until you hit $100. You're not impressing anyone by just over leveraging your last $10. Never risk more than 1% per trade. I mean 2%, yeah. You're not being weak, you're just being wise. And finally, respect the market. You're here to execute, not to feel something. So we'll be strictly using two strategies. First one is NY breaker block kill zone strategy. Trade only during the inversion. Mark the high and the low of the first 2 hours. This becomes our range. So what we're going to do is just wait for a breakout and then a clean retest. Entry comes on that second touch. Stop loss just goes outside the box. TP 1 hour, maybe 2 hour if the move is clean and there's more volume. You will thank yourself for mastering it. Execution matters. Use the 15-minute time frame to draw the range box and 5-minute time frame for your entries. Avoid trading 10 minutes before any major news and never enter on the first breakout candle. Wait for confirmation. I usually look for a second bullish or bearish follow up candle. If the session is sluggish, consolidating, and low on volume, skip it. Missed money is better than lost money. And strategy 2 is the fake out reversal trap. This is pure a psychological strategy. So we're going to look for swing highs and swing lows during London session or New York session. Wait for price to break that level with a wick and then close back inside the range. So that's our trap signal. Enter on the engulfing candle. Stop loss goes above the wick. TP at the midpoint of the previous range, 1 hour. You can use fib extensions for that and you can even stretch it for 2 hours. Pairs like GU, EU, and gold might beautifully work here. To nail this consistently, use 5-minute time frame to identify the trap candle and 1-minute time frame if you want sniper entries. Watch for high volume rejections and price stalling. Don't just enter because a wick forms. Confirm with structure breaking back inside, and most importantly, one attempt per zone. No re-entries. If it fails, we walk away. Once you hit $100, you step into the next gear. Lot size goes to 0.02. Still safe. Same rules. Maximum risk is 2%. But now you can start taking partials, lock profits, and let the trade go. The flip happens faster from $100 to $500 than 50 to 100. Why? Because momentum, discipline, and flow. Also, psychologically, it's a bit easier. Here's what will kill your flip attempt in 5 seconds. Trading against session momentum. If NY is bullish, don't short it, do it blindly. Secondly, trading Mondays and Fridays when the markets are consolidating and choppy. Thirdly, doubling down on losers to get even. And the fourth one is refusing to take profits. Don't let ego cash out. You do. This one's a killer tip. Almost no one does this properly. Use correlated pairs like GU and EU. If both give the same signal, then the move is stronger. Spread your 1% risk between them. Exit slower one if momentum stalls. You reduce drawdown and boost confirmation and stay in control. Let's do the math. Statistically, even if you lose 2 trades a day, you'd still end up netting 2 to 3 hour if you're following a 1 hour regime and taking 5 trades. And no, this isn't magic, it's structure, math, and discipline. You're not praying to flip or just hoping that you would flip. And don't get euphoria, you're just executing it. Now, listen, you could all do this solo, spend months testing, getting frustrated, going in circles, or you could join us. Join the room where we already run flips like these. I share every setup, every flip with breakdown, triggers, and adjustments. That's Portfoliomaxxing, a community built for people like us, traders who want to flip smart, not gamble, dump. If you're serious, link is in the description. Join the Telegram right now. We'll see you on the inside. Bye.